In this video, we will show you how to replace your truck bed drain plug on this Dodge Dakota. Let's get started. All right, let's get started on our job. We'll carefully use a pry bar and get underneath this area. Once we've lifted it up, we'll just hold it up with something such as a block of wood. At this point, you have a clear view of the plug. To remove the plug, you can use a small screwdriver or pry bar. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new plug. We'll take this and put it in position. Once you have it in there, press it down, locking it in. Double check to make sure it's secure. And then lower your bed liner. Typically, it just takes a second for everything to settle back down into position. All right, it's fully installed. Shut your tailgate. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.